Now we need to close the opening. That's right here. You need to press it using your iron. Press it right here. And on this side also press it and join together. And stitch on the very top about 1/8 of inch. All around. All the way around. And the last will be stitched in a ditch. 1 inch from the top, we need to stitch together these top layers, those 2 strips. So stitch right here in the ditch all the way around. Okay, I have just finished making this large size beach bag. It's very beautiful, pretty fabric, just for the beach. So let's see. Bag. It's a beach bag. It's made specially for my friend who lives in Los Angeles. Her name is Ellen. She asked me to make a large size bag so she can put a lot of stuff in it and keep it in her car because she's going to the beach a lot. She lives in LA, you know, we go to the beach a lot. And you know what? It's her birthday today. Yes, so I made it for her birthday. So let's see, this bag has double puller zipper. You can open it from the center or from just one side or another one. It has side pockets where you can keep a couple bottles of water. It's large enough to carry this big size of cosmetic bag, bunch of shirts, t-shirts, sweaters. In a large pocket I can keep my iPad, and it still has a lot of room. It's very spacey, very big size bag made of outdoor fabrics. It also has magnetic snap right here, so I can snap it like this, so your bag looks like this. Did you notice that the handles are on the sides? But I can unsnap these handles and now your bag will look differently. If I put this handle on this side and this handle right here, and now your bag looks like this. It means you can put here something firm, rectangular, like pillow or size of a pillow. So this bag is convertible. You can put these straps this way, or as I showed before, this way. I guess I will call this bag Ellen's beach bag because it's been made for my friend Ellen. So you can find this pattern soon in my Etsy shop Quiltessence and also in my quiltess.com store. Thank you.